What's up, y'all? It's been a minute, so I want to bring y'all kind of behind the scenes on a cool project I have today. There's this organization here in my city. Had somebody, a friend of mine, actually reach out and wanted some work done on a basketball court in the back. So here I am, nice size concrete slab, basketball court. Do a lot of good things, man, in the community with the kids. I've been a part of helping in the past, so full circle, able to come and help out and restore this basketball court. So it's really dirty, y'all. It's never been cleaned before. The lines will be, repaired, brightened up or repainted. That's the word I'm looking for. So yeah, you got the dirt over here, all of that, a lot of green growth, the algae, and over here too is pretty messy. So I'm getting all of that cleaned out. Real quick, y'all, I'm set up now. Got my my wand, my turbo nozzle right there. Surface cleaner, 16-inch BE. Pump up spread filled with probably about 5-6% SH. I mean, clearly it's obvious. And I got my X-Jet, so I got some leftover SH in here, and I'm gonna just go through that first, and then if I need to, go behind and treat some of these bad areas. There's a lot of them. Hey, another little shout out to Dollar General. I didn't have time to go to the pool store and get some more pool shock. I probably had like one jug, so I just always keep, man, probably about 10 of these on me. For more so post-treating or just hidden areas, you know what I mean, that need probably like a 2%, 3%. So anyway, they cost like $1 something. So you in the pinch, you know what I mean, you in the bind, go to your local dollar store, Dollar General, and get those. They should be in stock. All right, y'all. Yeah, so here I am right now, y'all, just pre-treating the concrete area with exit nozzle. Like I said, I had some leftover SH in that 5-gallon bucket, and clearly had a bunch of soap, surfactant, but it's all good, getting rid of it. I'm trying to cover it, let that so now I got the pre-treatment. Mind you, I just had some leftover in my 5-gallon bucket. I ain't know it had this much soap in it, so, but it is what it is. If I gotta just extra rinse, I gotta do what I gotta do. But I'm actually about to spot treat some of these areas that's a little bit worse, but I'm really just gonna let this dwell, man, for a nice amount of time, and then get out the surface cleaner and just go to work. So this is the process, y'all. Some people say, yeah, pre-treating, probably waste of time, waste of chemical. Some say it helps the job. It's really case by case, but I ain't completely against pre-treating, clearly, but with this I had to, because it's gonna help me out in the long run. So yeah, y'all. By the way, any new folks to the industry, man, y'all got questions, man, drop it in the comment. I do a pretty good job of reading the comments, answering comments, and so I ain't got all the answers, y'all, you know what I mean, but I know what it's like to be fresh in the industry, new, confused, but driven, hungry, you know what I mean? And you probably ain't got nobody in your city to reach out to. So, man, comment below, drop a question, whatever you need, I got you. All right, y'all. Let this continue to sit and dwell. Then I'm gonna surface clean. And yeah, rinse, post-treat, and I'm out. Now on to one of my favorite parts is surface cleaning, y'all. Man, my reliable 16-inch Whirlaway surface cleaner. Love it. And here I am, man, just doing some basic vertical lines back and forth. Obviously it's on time lapse, but in real time, try to go slow at a decent pace, because I got a 4-gallon per minute machine, and yeah, if you know, you know. So here I am for the rinse down. And now, like, when I was rinsing down, or when I started the other side of the court, I realized like this side had like a slope or a decline. So when I started the other half, all the other dirty water was running down this half, so I had to rinse it over again. But it's all good, you know. You just learn and you just adjust and you keep it moving. So now I made my way on the other half of the court, which really it was the worst, especially over there by those bleachers you see. That water just sat there, and that growth, it was so thick into this concrete. Now for another good little rinse down, making sure all the dirty water is off. See, I had to rinse the other side once again. Came out really nicely. I had to do multiple coats of post treatment because I saw a lot of lines, and so I just wanted to make sure, you know, it was even, clean, good to go for the kiddos.
All right, so I'm wrapped up, man.
Here go the end result.
Looks really good. As you can see, everything all cleaned up, still drying. Like I said, somebody gonna come out and repaint the lines for the basketball court. You got the 3-point line, the free throw line, get it in. So yeah, y'all, like I said, man, you got any questions for me, man, drop them in the comments. Let me know if you need any help. Shoot, let me know if you got any advice for me. I'm about to celebrate 1 year, you know, owning and operating my business in July, so in about a few more weeks, and definitely excited about that, man. It's been ups and downs, but recently it's been a lot of ups, so that's been cool. But yeah, y'all, appreciate y'all for watching. Dropping some more content, some more videos, just putting y'all behind the scenes of my journey. So till next time, take care.